Hey everyone, great to be back with you today. I'm Shannyn Lee, the managing director at Win Without Pitching. And I want to talk about a topic that came up in a group coaching session yesterday. We run these group coaching sessions weekly for clients who have been through training, and we're going to open this up more broadly and let the masses know about it. So if you've been through training, you'll have an opportunity to jump into these sooner than later in the next couple months here. Stay tuned on that. But the question had to do with, can we impose a code of conduct on our clients, basically, so that they hold up their end of the bargain and get the things done that they need to get done when they engage us to help them? Because there's a lot of frustration out there with clients who are missing deadlines, not completing things that need to be completed, and it's affecting the work, right? So how do we manage this? The answer is yes, we can absolutely enforce a code of conduct. And it doesn't have to feel punitive, like we're going back to elementary school. But I do believe that it begins in the sale. And I think the conversation has to be one of a serious nature, right? You're about to enter into a big commitment with us, Miss Client, not only financially, but from a perspective of the time you're going to spend in order for us to work together to complete this initiative and to add a lot of value for your organization. So yes, you're hiring us as the expert to get it done. We're going to carry the bulk of the load, but there are some things that you're going to need to do on your end in order for this to be successful. And so we as a business have a code of conduct, have rules of engagement to make sure that we're all meeting the commitment. Because if we don't, it won't work. And then it's a waste of everybody's time and effort. I think, especially in the creative services world, we need to stop being so deferential and giving in and extending timelines or giving clients a free pass, because at the end of the day, it's going to be on you and your business if the thing doesn't work, whatever the thing is. And so I really do believe in the sale, this is where the conversation begins. And then certainly when you win the work and the process is underway, there has to be a set of checkpoints and check-ins along the way to make sure that everybody's keeping up their end of the bargain. And if that client is in fact egregious and not keeping up their end of the bargain on more than one occasion, an adult conversation needs to take place, and you need to be willing to stop work and walk away. It's not a good use of anybody's time, right? And I know this may sound maybe one, simple, here are the rules, if you don't follow them, we walk away, and maybe two, a little bit harsh because the work that you do can be complex and messy. But I think we can do a better job as an industry, frankly, at really establishing how things work most successfully and be really clear when things go off the rails and they're not successful, here's why, and what is that client's end of the bargain that they have to hold up as well. And then get really strong and brave about stopping work and walking away if in fact things are just not going well because the client can't complete their end of the bargain. There's my little rant for today. A lot of you are facing this out there right now, and we had a good conversation about it in group coaching, as I said, and I think it's something we should all explore for ourselves. Okay, hope that helps. We have a workshop coming up September 16 to 19, and then again in November, the week of November 4th. Would love to see you in either one of those. And if you have any questions, send them my way. All right, cheers, everybody. Take care.